And now let's move to the next big thing. It's actually a new era for our Zebra BI visuals. Because you see, for reporters, it's not enough anymore to just display the numbers and then allow the viewers to get to their own conclusions. As report designers, you need to become better at storytelling and focusing your viewers on the important messages and conveying the insights. So at Zebra BI, we're introducing a new set of features to make this as easy and dynamic as possible. So I will resize my charts visual here, and let's create it quickly by adding actuals, previous year. Then I want to add the months, and again with a few clicks I arrived to my charts column visual. And to showcase this new feature, I will again add this selected KPI measure here to the filters bucket. You will see in a second why I have prepared this in this way. And now here is a new icon that launches something that we're calling annotation layer. So annotation layer is a set of features that you can use on the charts, and also they're coming in the tables, as we will see. And you can add these comments and highlight areas on the fly without the write back to data model, even without access to data model. You can do it on the service, you can do it in view mode as well. So let's see how it works. Here I'm selecting the first feature, this is the comment marker, and I will add a new comment here to October. And let me just briefly copy my comment content, so I don't need to type it out. I will paste it here, and quickly we have now a comment added to the October category, and actually it has been added to the revenue KPI. So if I now switch to a different KPI, let's say to a gross profit, the comment disappears. Why? Because I have told the charts visual that it should take into account the selected KPI for the annotation layer. So let's just add another one, perhaps here to July for gross profit. So I will copy this here. Again, the comment is pasted here, and I can confirm it. I can close the annotation layer. I'm satisfied with my comments, and you see I can now click between the KPIs and the comments are adjusting. And I can do this literally in a few seconds before my board meeting, for example. It's much faster and very flexible. And now I'm moving over here to my tables visual, and I will show you how another annotation type works. So here I have area highlights. And for example, I want to showcase how this product category performed. So I will just add the highlight like this, and you see it automatically, the area was drawn around the data points that I selected. So if I now reduce the number of products, you can see that the area highlight adjusts to my selection. And even if I now collapse the product category, the area highlight adjusted accordingly. And again, if I now switch to gross profit, let's say, the area highlight disappeared because it took into account my filtered context. So that's it for my first presentation. And we have seen now how easy it was to create a report, with added calculations, additional text measures. But in reality, you will often have more complex cases and data. So you might have, for example, my second case, it's the hierarchical P&L statement. And in this case, I have already added some comments from our data model. So this is our existing commenting solution. But our comments are currently, hidden in the hierarchy below. And those are some new comment indicators that show me there are comments present here, but they are hidden. So if I click here on the comment indicator, just with one click, the hierarchy expands to the level so that it reveals the comment that was hidden inside. So let's click again here on this one. Another comment is revealed, and the last one here. So this was very easy and straightforward. And let's say I'm now again pressed for time and I want to add some comments on the fly. So I will add another comment marker. I will click on this icon here and I will add it to product revenue. Let me copy the content for the comment again. Just a quick second. Like this, I'm pasting it here. And this is on the lower level, right? And then I have another one that I want to copy, that I want to add to research and development. So let's click on the icon again, find the research and development row, and I'm pasting the comment here. And now just for the sake of this demonstration, let's add another comment to the operating expenses that are on the highest level. So you can truly see it works across all the levels of the hierarchy. And we're pasting it here, confirming, and now we have these comments added here. And now we can use these slicers on top, so I can switch to the balance sheet, and now I have the comments read from the data model, but my previous ones, the ones that I have added now on the fly, they have disappeared because I want them to just be shown on the P&L. And also I can switch to the cash flow, and back to P&L, I have them here. And now let's see if we now switch from March to April, the comments again disappeared due to this filter context that I have set up here. And now in April, for example, I see that my operating expenses in April were actually lower than planned. So I want to direct the viewer's attention to this area. So again, I will select the area highlight and I will pull it across these data points, and I get this area highlight drawn around the data points that I selected. And again, I can collapse this hierarchy and the area highlight adjust. So you have to know that these area highlights are also very flexible. You can draw them across different columns or across different rows. And likewise, as for the comments, also the filter context works in the same way. So now that I have switched back to March, the area highlight disappeared. So now, as you can see, Zebra BI is offering a comprehensive tool set for data storytelling, from generating insightful visuals and then to adding and controlling additional calculations, and finally adding these annotations and commenting. And as you can see, there are other annotation types coming out soon. So this truly enables you to get the right message across to your viewers and to draw their attention to the right data points, and also explain your reasoning and your understanding in the comments.